How to enable voice chat on Roblox on laptop or PC. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. So as an example, we'll just go into please donate right now. But of course, you can go into whichever game that you want that has a microphone enabled. So once you're here, all you want to go ahead and do to have your mic on, as you can see, I have the microphone icon right there. But if you don't see that, what you want to do is press the little settings icon on the top left, which is the Roblox icon. Then go over to settings, and then you're going to see voice chat as one of the options. So if it's on disconnected, as you can see, the microphone's not there. So all you want to do is switch the voice chat on, and now it's going to be connected. And now if I want to, enable my microphone, all I got to do is go ahead and click on this little icon right here. It's going to say mute or unmute yourself. So now I can, talk and everything, or I can unmute myself as well, or I can just mute myself. Pretty much do whatever you want, and then that's literally it. You'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting over on the channel as well.